Hi guys, good afternoon sa inyong lahat. Gala time ulit. Ngayong araw, pupunta tayo sa Mission San Luis Rey. Dito to sa Oceanside, California. So itong Mission San Luis Rey, tinaguran itong King of all the missions. So ito yung pinakamalaking mission dito sa California. So isa itong simbahan. So makikita natin mamaya kung ano yung history niya. Nandito na kami sa California Interstate 5. 25 more minutes bago tayo makarating doon sa ating destination. Bale approximately 18 miles pa yun. Ayan, heto ulit kami. Kasama ko si Nancy. Siya ulit yung nagdadrive sa ngayon.
Kain tayo.
Kumakain siya ng kasoy nut.
Traffic ah.
Yeah. Si Abby naman nandun sa likod, kumakain din. What are you eating? Ayan na yung Mission San Luis Rey. Ayan, may signboard na siya. Sabi doon 4 miles pa. Ayan guys, malapit-lapit na tayo. Bale dito sa sa next traffic light. Kakaliwa na tayo dito sa may Rancho del Oro Drive. Ayan, in 2 minutes makakarating na tayo sa ating location. So 0.4 miles na lang yun.
Yahoo!
Kita dito, ayun na pala eh. Ayan. Diyan tayo pupunta kung napapansin niyo. Ayun, yung parang may kampanaryo. The Mission San Luis Rey is known as the King of the Missions because of its size, population, and crop production. It is number 18 in the mission chain. Located on a hill overlooking a valley, San Luis Rey lies between Mission San Diego de Alcalá and Mission San Juan Capistrano. Mission San Luis Rey De Francia is a former Spanish mission in San Luis Rey, a neighborhood of Oceanside, California. This mission lent its name to the Luiseño tribe of Mission Indians. The full name of the mission is La Mission de San Luis Rey de Francia. It was named for King Louis IX of France. Mission San Luis Rey's structures and services compound covered almost 950,400 acres, making it the largest of the missions, along with its surrounding agricultural land. It is a National Historic Landmark for its pristine example of a Spanish mission church complex. Today, the mission complex functions as a parish church of Diocese of San Diego, as well as a museum and retreat center. Mission San Luis Rey de Francia raised about 26,000 cattle, as well as goats, geese, and pigs. A stroll through the gardens reveals the remains of a carriage arch, which was the original entrance to the inner buildings of the mission. Looking through the arch, lies a pepper tree, the first one in California, brought from Peru and planted at the mission in 1830. The history of the San Luis Rey De Francia mission spans the early Spanish colonial period, the Mexican era, and the beginnings of the California's statehood. Today, the church stands as a National Historic Landmark recognized for its significant contribution to the Spanish and Mexican heritage of the Western United States. On the grounds of Mission San Luis Rey De Francia lies the old lavanderia. It's an open-air laundry used for washing clothes and for bathing. At the bottom of the steep ancient staircase is an elaborate stone and brick system of channels used to divert water from the San Luis Rey River to the sunken pools. Feel closer to loved ones and to God amongst the sacred Catholic grounds of the historic church. Founded in 1798, the pristine Old Mission Cemetery is the oldest in North County, still actively in operation, and all people of goodwill are welcomed. It is a sacred oasis of gardens, statues, fountains, and above all, infinite serenity.
Ayan, ginabi na nga kami. Sa ngayon, nandito na kami sa Interstate 5 South, pauwi na. Pero dadaan muna ata kami sa Vietnamese po. Doon kami magdi-dinner. So ayan, nagutom na kasi. Ayan, maraming salamat ulit sa pagsama sa aming pamamasyal sa araw na ito. Ayan, kita-kita ulit tayo sa aming susunod na video. Ayan na, bye-bye na kayo.
Bye!
Miguel.